Dalian, a northern China coastal city and an important center of the port and tourist city. CRRC Dalian Co Ltd, a fully invested subsidiary of CRRC Corporation Limited, as the same age of the city, was founded in the year 1899. It is the only enterprise in China's rail transportation equipment industry which can not only develop and maintain high-power AC diesel locomotives and electric locomotives, but also can develop LRVs and metro cars, as well as high-power medium and high-speed diesel engines. Dalian Co Ltd was praised by the national leaders as the cradle of locomotives, with the historical responsibility of realizing the modernization of China's railway equipment. CRRC Dalian Co Ltd is determined to forge ahead, innovate, and develop a new development process. In 1954, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd realized the historical transition from repairing steam locomotives to manufacturing steam locomotives, becoming China's first leading enterprise of steam locomotive design. In 1965, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd realized the historical transition from manufacturing steam locomotives to manufacturing diesel locomotives, becoming China's first diesel locomotive manufacturer. In 1974, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd manufactured Dongfeng 4-type diesel locomotives in batches, ending the Chinese history of being unable to self-designing or self-manufacturing high-power diesel locomotives. In 1984, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd manufactured Dongfeng 4B-type diesel locomotives in batches, and in 1987, this type of diesel locomotives obtained China Good Quality Golden Award and was appointed as the product to substitute the imported one, ending the Chinese history of importing diesel locomotives in a large number from foreign countries. In 1996, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd developed Dongfeng 4D diesel locomotives in batches, and they became the main type locomotives in China's railway for the previous 5 times passenger train acceleration campaigns. Since the year 2000, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd started to develop electric locomotives and successfully set up a technical platform of world advanced leveled AC high-power locomotive products. The products such as HX3B 9,600 kW, HX3C 3D 7,200 kW electric locomotives have been massively equipped in China railway. HX3 7,200 kW AC electric locomotive got the First Class Award of the State Science and Technology Progress, becoming the pioneer of obtaining such an award for whole locomotive. Through the endless effort and self-innovation by several generations, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd has developed over 70 types of different locomotives. The total output is over 50% of the whole China's locomotive reserve of the same kind, covering all Chinese railway bureaus. The locomotive, named after Mao Zedong, has changed types for 5 times successively, wholly adopting the latest product which could represent the highest level for China locomotives developed by CRRC Dalian Co Ltd. The leading image of CRRC Dalian Co Ltd has been fully displayed. The LRVs and metro cars with the leading level domestically have been successively entered the cities of Beijing, Tianjin, Shenyang, Xi'an, Guangzhou and Dalian, etc., and they have been exported to Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia. There were over 20 kinds, nearly 3,000 units of LRVs and metro cars undertaken and manufactured by the company both at home and abroad, becoming the company's rising pillar industry by adopting the advanced ground power supply system and by bringing in the EPC mode, 100% low-floor modern trams with no bright shuttled in Zhuhai, forming a beautiful and charming scenery line. 240, 265, 270 and D180 high-power medium and high-speed diesel engine series products, which reached the world advanced technology level, cover the power rating from 700 kW to 6,000 kW. Fuxing D3 Type 8-axle passenger electric locomotive. The 160 km per hour power concentrated EMU power car. Fuxing N3 160 km per hour AC transmission passenger diesel locomotive. Fuxing N3B 3,000 horsepower energy-saving, environmentally friendly shunting locomotive and the new generation of low-speed maglev trains, etc. A series of new products have been introduced one after another. CRRC Dalian Co Ltd has opened up a new chapter in transformation and upgrading with innovation. Comprehensive planning and layout of the overseas market make the company's international business development capabilities grow steadily. The LRVs, metro cars and locomotives adapting to the different needs of customers have been exported to nearly 30 countries and regions, such as the Philippines, Iran, New Zealand, Uzbekistan, South Africa, Myanmar and Hong Kong. Dalian Co Ltd plans to set up offices in Nigeria and other countries, striving to forge an integrated industry chain covering from R&D to service. Adhere to diversified business strategy and strive to expand markets. The company's locomotives with a variety of models enter the metallurgy, ports and other large enterprises and local railways. Locomotives, LRVs and metro cars can be maintained and upgraded in batches by the company. The company's diesel engines have been applied to ships, generator sets, construction machinery and other fields. CRRC Dalian Co Ltd has set up factories successively in Luxun, Zhuhai and South Africa, and its core competitiveness has been continuously improved. CRRC Dalian Co Ltd has nearly 3,000 professional and technical personnel, and one-third of them working as engineering and technical personnel are engaged in the development of new products. This is the talent guarantee to continuously improve the level of product design and the technological innovation ability. More than 4,000 units of various mechanical power equipment and over 100 kinds of world's first-rate machining centers, as well as the advanced metering and measuring instrument, have provided the company with firm equipment support to fully improve product quality and massive production capacity. The certifications of ISO 9001, ISO 9002, ISO 14001, OSMS 18000, ISO 10012 and IRIS are the earnest commitments of CRRC Dalian Co Ltd. The complete after-sales service system, covering nationwide service network and overseas service stations, has provided whole-life process service and systematic solution support to the customers both at home and abroad. With the sacred mission of China CRRC to connect the world through better mobility, CRRC Dalian Co Ltd is committed to the enterprise development guideline of customer orientation, technology leadership, management efficiency, innovation drive, and high-quality development, striding forward to be an integrated service supplier that is the most trusted one in the rail transport and relevant fields.